Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Nellies is probably one of the most sought-after brands in the eco-friendly cleaning space, and for good reason. Their commitment to sustainability, effective formulas, and delightful scents have earned them a loyal following. If you're looking to make your home sparkle without harsh chemicals, Nellies offers a compelling alternative that aligns with a greener lifestyle, making it a standout choice for conscious consumers. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents? Discover the revolutionary way to do laundry with our innovative detergent sheets. They offer a powerful clean without the plastic waste. These sheets are designed to tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Experience a powerful clean that's also kind to the planet. Our formula is gentle on your skin, making it perfect for the whole family. Yet, it's tough on dirt and grime, ensuring your laundry comes out spotless every time. Forget bulky bottles. These compact sheets are perfect for travel, dorm rooms, or small spaces. They dissolve completely in both hot and cold water cycles. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-friendly cleaning. Enjoy a fresh scent that revitalizes your clothes with every wash. Make the switch to a simpler, more sustainable laundry routine. Our liquidless soap sheets offer an effective and environmentally conscious solution for your everyday needs. What we like? Tired of bulky plastic jugs and messy liquids? These eco-friendly sheets offer a compact and convenient solution for your laundry needs. If you're looking for a sustainable option that's easy to store and travel with, these are a fantastic choice. What people say? I love the sustainability features this brand has. I have bought their laundry sheets many times and they are great for cleaning clothes and being friendly for the planet and decreasing plastic use. They dissolve well. Pleasantly surprised. These work great. When I pulled out the first sheet I thought there's no way this little piece of paper is going to clean my clothes. I live on a ranch. I get dirty. Not overly scented after a wash, my clothes smell clean and are clean. It's also so nice not having to lug around that heavy jug of detergent. And these take up no space. It's nice. Number 4. Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets 25-pack. Tired of lingering odors and residue in your washing machine? Our powerful tablets are designed to reach every part of your machine for a truly deep clean. These tablets effectively break down and rinse away stubborn buildup, including pet hair that gets trapped by residue. Keep your laundry fresh and clean. No matter your washing machine type, our cleaner is compatible. Use it with front load, top load, and e-washers for optimal performance. Our formula is designed to penetrate deep into the drum, seals, hoses, and even pipes. It tackles hidden grime where other cleaners can't reach. Regular use ensures your washing machine stays fresh and performs at its best. Enjoy cleaner clothes and a healthier machine environment. This pack includes 25 tablets, providing a convenient and long-lasting solution for maintaining your washing machine's cleanliness. What we like? Is pet hair and buildup a constant battle in your washing machine? These tablets are specifically designed to tackle those stubborn residues and trapped pet hair, ensuring a cleaner wash every time. If you own pets and want to keep your washing machine in top condition, these are a must-have. What people say? After running one cycle with these tablets, I noticed a huge difference. The amount of pet hair and residue that came out of the drum was honestly kind of shocking. Stuff I didn't even realize was building up, hair, lint, that weird film, was completely lifted out. Put one of these tabs in the clean cycle last night and the standing water was gone this morning. I compared the ingredient lists and this brand does have more actives than a Fresh. I may still use a Fresh occasionally for lighter cleaning, but these tabs definitely are more powerful to break up sludge or clogs. My laundry was washed at the cleanest I have ever seen. It was unbelievable. Number 3. Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, 3-pack XL. Tired of chemical-laden dryer sheets? Discover a natural way to soften your fabrics. Our wool dryer balls are the perfect solution for a gentler laundry day. Experience the difference with our award-winning wool dryer balls. They are designed for superior performance and are a trusted choice for eco-conscious consumers. Say goodbye to disposable dryer sheets. These reusable wool balls effectively replace them, reducing waste and saving you money over time. Our extra-large premium wool balls are crafted for maximum efficiency. They help reduce drying time and leave your clothes feeling incredibly soft. Enjoy softer, fluffier laundry without harsh chemicals. These natural wool balls are gentle on all types of fabrics, making them a smart choice for your family. Make a sustainable choice for your home. By using these reusable laundry balls, you're reducing your environmental impact with every load. What we like. Looking for a natural way to soften your clothes and reduce static? These wool dryer balls are a fantastic alternative to traditional dryer sheets, offering a reusable and eco-friendly solution. If you prefer a chemical-free approach to laundry and want to speed up your drying time, these are the perfect fit. What people say. Worked well to fluff the feathers in my down-filled pillows. No odors or issues. The dryer balls have held up over multiple months of washes. They are incredibly useful for shortening drying time significantly. They are soft and have a solid weight to do their job. These dryer balls make a big difference and are an energy saver. Bulky items, like towels and sheets, dry faster and come out fluffy and soft. My clothes come out pet hair-free too. Number 2. Renuv Heavy-Duty Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets. Is your washing machine starting to smell a bit off? Over time, residue can build up, affecting its performance and leaving your clothes less than fresh. Introducing Renuv Heavy-Duty Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets. These powerful tablets are designed to tackle tough buildup and limescale. Whether you have a front load, top load, or he machine, these tablets are safe and effective. They work deep inside to remove odors and grime. This pack provides a 6-month supply with 6 extra-large tablets. Just 1 tablet per month keeps your machine running smoothly. Keep your washing machine in top condition and ensure your laundry always comes out smelling clean and fresh. Experience the Renuv difference. What we like. Does your washing machine struggle with mineral buildup and limescale? These heavy-duty tablets are formulated to decale and deep clean your washer, ensuring optimal performance. If you live in a hard water area or want to extend the life of your appliance, this long-lasting supply is an excellent investment. What people say. They foam inside the dishwasher during use, covering every square inch. Once going through the rinse cycle, they leave no residue and my LG front-loading washing machine looks and smells like new. These are so great. They did an amazing job cleaning up my washer and getting rid of the smell, and it looked nice and shiny inside again. I like just easily tossing it in the drum and setting the washer to clean cycle, and I felt like just because it was eco-friendly it still did what it was designed to do, so I feel much better using this instead of regular cleaner. My top-loading washer never smells from icky water. Number 1. Nellies Wow Mop. Introducing the Nellies Wow Mop, designed for a truly effortless cleaning experience. It's cordless, lightweight, and rechargeable, making your chores a breeze. Its innovative ergonomic design allows it to maneuver into those hard-to-reach places. Say goodbye to straining and hard bending, and enjoy comfortable handling with adjustable height. This mop can even transform into a kid-friendly tool for cleaning fun. Make cleaning a family activity with its adaptable features. Equipped with 2 large pads at the bottom, it ensures you never miss a spot. Achieve a thorough clean every time with its efficient design. Enjoy the freedom of wireless cleaning as you move throughout your home without the hassle of cords. A single charge provides up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted use. Your Wow Mop comes complete with a set of wet floor cleaning pads, a measuring cup, charging cord, and user manual. Everything you need for immediate use. Nellies stands by its products with a 30-day buyback guarantee and a 2-year replacement warranty. Reach out to us with any questions or concerns for peace of mind. What we like. Tired of wrestling with cords and heavy mops? This cordless and lightweight mop offers unparalleled maneuverability and ease of use. If you value convenience, have a large home to clean, or simply want a more comfortable mopping experience, this innovative design is perfect for you. What people say. Ease of use, practically no effort, just walk around. Oscillation, does all the scrubbing work for you. Refillable, use any solution you want. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.